All right, guys, we got a code P0151. It's going to be O2 sensor, bank 2 sensor 1. Bank 2 is going to be your driver's side here. First thing we want to do is drop this cover. 8mm bolts right here, but these ones were rusted up, so I just went for the side 13mm to drop this cover. And somebody's taken this off in the past and zip tied it up, so I'm not going to cut those zip ties. Just let her hang. And there's our O2 sensor there, sensor 1. Way up in there, we got sensor 2 right here, downstream. So we're gonna be working on this upstream. I've already disconnected the wiring harness from up top. I'll show you where that goes after we get this sensor out. So the easiest way to change these is just cut the tail of that sensor right off with some side snipperoos. Got some in my pants here. So we're gonna cut that off. And we got a 22mm wrench. Now this one is not rusty at all for Michigan. It might come off without any heat, but I'm gonna go ahead and just heat it up, make it come out easier. So I got my torch out. Here's our replacement sensor here. There's our harness. It's got 2 little clips on the back it plugs into, then it plugs into the other end there. All right, so I'm gonna snip this tail off of the old sensor and heat it up. 22mm wrench or a 7/8. It's gonna allow us to get the closed end on it and get a lot more torque. Let's do it. Here's our old sensor out right here. I tried taking it out without the heat. I didn't put a bar on the wrench or anything. It wasn't cracking free. Well, I didn't want to force it or anything, so I heated it up a little bit. Cracked free real easy, then came out by hand after that, after I let it cool down. We got the new sensor installed here. Kind of like feed it up around the drive shaft here so your tail's sticking out, your wiring harness. And it'll twist up a little bit on you as you're forcing it in. You might have to unravel the wiring harness, but we got her nice and tight there with the open end of the crescent wrench. So she's nice and tight. Now it's time to go in from the top and grab that wiring harness and feed it up where it goes. Here we are under the hood. We got the engine cover off and the little styrofoam piece off. And down here, we're gonna pull out our O2 sensor, wiring harness, and it's gonna clip into this guy right here. See, it's got that. The old one, the Christmas tree on it broke off where it plugs in. So I got to get some side snips or something and pop that out. But anyways, it clips in right here in this little black clip, the wiring harness. And then we clip her together right here. Put the booty cover back together. I already put the splash guard from underneath back up. But yep, and that's how you do that one. Clear the engine codes, take it for a ride.